Hey, this is Dave. I'm in the junkyard. I'm doing the 2008 and 2009 Ford Focus trunk latch today. And this is for replacement. You'll see it here on the trunk lid. Now there is a fabric liner and it's held in by these clips. What I do is I take a little pry tool and just kind of work these out. And I don't think you need all of them, but we just want to expose the latch. And there's 4 here. One of them just fell out. You'll tuck the emergency release cable into the fabric there, and then you'll pull down a little bit. And to be careful, you might want to release the ones underneath. I'll maybe just fold that down for now, so for the video. You're going to pull down. So we have the keyhole here for the release. For this model, it's you're just going to kind of wiggle that off there. You'll release the electrical connector. It's a 4-pin electrical connector. And then there's 3 10-millimeter bolts. Just release those. The latch will just kind of come down. And the installation is the reversive removal. And I'll have a link to eBay as well as an OEM part number in the description. We'll see you next time.